the difference between a fly and a bird?
I have no clue.
A bird can fly, but a fly can't bird.
That wasn't good, but okay.
I'm just gonna do this.
Mine would probably have to be food challenge.
Mine's livestock judging. Started a few years ago, and that's what I just started really liking. I don't know, I was good at it.
I like food challenge because I like team events where I can grow closer to my sisters and my friends, and I love cooking.
Congress.
Bro. Yeah. We love Congress.
Yeah.
Because we get to meet all kinds of new people from all over the state, and you get to learn a lot about our government and how it works.
And you get to make a bill, and you can, if it gets far enough, you can present it on the floor, and that's really cool.
Yeah, pretty awesome.
Sean, for sure.
So one of my favorite things that we made at food challenge was noodles, like veggie noodles. That was a lot of fun.
Probably cookies. I just forget about them.
It's me. I'm sorry. Like, I know you do
Nah,
food show.
it's me.
You do
No,
food show,
no.
but it's me.
Dude, I made chicken last night, okay? I don't want to hear it.
I made lasagna.
Lasagna?
Yeah. Oh, whatever. I'm a better cook. I'm sorry.
Yeah, you wish.
Lasagna. I love
I
lasagna.
like steak.
I burned my ramen noodles. Like, I caught them on fire in the microwave.
I have a ramen noodle experience. I was making ramen, and I don't know, I guess I messed the water up, but then I walked away and I was watching something, and I went back to the pot and there was no more water. The ramen was just stuck to the pan.
See, my problem was I didn't have any water. I
You just didn't go
just put it in the microwave. They caught on fire.